Introducing the MTM-500-2500 Torque Tester Universal from Flexible Assembly Systems. This advanced and versatile tool is designed to meet the rigorous demands of torque testing in various applications. With its wide torque range of 5500/252, 1500 InLb, and 3/81/2, drive size, the AUET/MTM-500-2500 can accommodate a variety of testing requirements. It features 3 testing modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing you to select the most appropriate mode for your specific needs. The adjustable auto-clear feature ensures consistent and accurate testing results, while the repeatable joint simulator replicates real-world fastening conditions. With an accuracy of 0.5%, this torque tester meets the highest quality standards. The AUET/MTM-500-2500 Torque Tester Universal is an indispensable tool for quality control professionals across various industries. Its wide torque range, multiple testing modes, and user-friendly features make it an essential addition to any quality control toolkit. Invest in this reliable and versatile torque tester to ensure accurate and consistent torque measurements.